So some of you always ask me, Nduta, how about those who do not want to move out of their countries and want to actually work remotely while still living in their own country? So this video is for you if you're thinking of looking for a remote job, fully remote job, which you could potentially work from anywhere, then this is for you. If it's not for you, once again, please go ahead and share it with someone else who could benefit from it. Now, guys, I have also worked remotely before, and when I was in Kenya, I was one of those people who actually even used to do online writing and academic writing and proposal writing at some point because it was that difficult. Obviously, as you may already know, the job market in Kenya is not as easy, and so I was one of those people. So when I tell you that I know, I feel your pain, I got you, I know what I mean when I talk about that. So here are some of the job boards you could potentially use for you to be able to get a job that is fully remote while you're still in Kenya or any other place. If you're listening to this, maybe in Nigeria or in India, wherever else that you're listening this from, then this video is definitely going to help you in your job search for a fully remote position. So one of those websites that I usually always go for is We Work Remotely. So We Work Remotely is one of those legit websites because actually those companies that post their jobs on We Work Remotely have to pay for those job posts. So you obviously want to have a feel and a look of this website because at least those jobs that are there are very much legit, and they are jobs that range from customer support to software engineering to product management to project management and so on and so forth. And you can be able to check out and sift through and see, depending on the location that you are in, and be able to see whether a certain job actually matches your skill set. And also another thing to do is once you are on that website, you can always check the website, the official website of the company that has advertised on that job board, so that you can also have a feel of what exactly it's like to work in such a company, such that you are well informed before you can even apply for that job. Now, another company that is definitely also very much legitimate is Remote.co. Now, Remote.co is another website that enlists jobs which range once again from things like software development, project management, virtual assistance, customer support, customer success. And this is also another website that also has quite a number of jobs. Comparing it to We Work Remotely, it has quite an interesting interface, and you can be able to navigate through and filter through and see which job you would potentially qualify for. And these are jobs that you can work from anywhere across the world, and also other jobs that might be geolocalized, which you can definitely check out. Most of them are within the US and also others in the UK. However, there are quite a number of them that also are work from anywhere jobs. Another job board that you definitely want to check out is Remote.ok. So Remote.ok is one of those job websites that has a very good interface because you can be able to filter through into the regional jobs. So it enlists jobs within several regions in Africa, across the globe, as well as in Europe, in Asia, etc. So there are several jobs that are enlisted there. And the beauty of Remote.ok job board is that you can also filter through into the salary scale as well as also the region, and be able to see several jobs that have been enlisted. Depending on your skill set, once again, you can be able to shoot your shot. And there are several jobs that range from data scientist to legal counsel to being a content creator to UX designing to web designing, software engineering, name it. There are loads of jobs that are enlisted every single other day on Remote.ok, and you can be able to find out and see whether your skill set match the criteria that has been stipulated on that job posting. Once again, it's very crucial for you to do your due diligence and check out such companies, any of the companies that has enlisted their job position on these job websites, so that you can be able to have a feel and know exactly what they are looking for and what it is like to work in that company as well. So this is another job board that you could potentially utilize to be able to filter through and see what job you could work in without having to leave your own home country and still earning either in dollars, in euros, in pounds, depending on where exactly this company is located. Another job board that I want to speak about today is Remotive.com, and Remotive.com also has several jobs that are enlisted, which include things like HR. There's lots of coding jobs there. So if you're in software engineering and you're into coding as well, there's lots of jobs that are actually enlisted on Remotive.com, and you can be able to find out which of them you would want to fit in. Remotive.com can be a little bit limiting because some of the jobs that are enlisted there would be mostly wanting someone who is within the European continent or even in the US. However, there are several other companies that enlist certain jobs once in a while for work from anywhere, which means that if you are in Kenya or wherever else that you are in from, you can be able to sift through and see once maybe there is a job that has been posted there that allows someone to work from pretty much anywhere across the globe. So Remotive.com is one other job board that I would recommend for you to check out any remote job and be able to once again shoot your shot and see where that leads. Again, it's not a guarantee. However, you can be able to check out and see which one of the jobs fits your profile and go ahead and apply for it. Another job board that I want to speak about today is one of the most known one, which is FlexJobs.com. And FlexJobs.com is a trusted site that has been there for quite a period of time and also enlists jobs that you can check out from anywhere and you can be able to apply depending once again on your skill set. FlexJobs also enlists quite a number of jobs. They don't have to be tech related. They can be customer support, virtual support, HR, legal, depending on exactly what you're looking for. You can be able to sift through by location and also see exactly what is being offered there and be able to shoot your shot. Once again, please also check the company itself or their public website so that you can be able to exactly know which is this company that has advertised this job and whether it's legit or not. However, FlexJobs has been there for quite a period of time, so you can be able to trust it to a certain extent of the jobs that have been posted there, because someone as well vets to see exactly what jobs are being enlisted on that website, and you can be able to check out some of these jobs. Some other websites that you can definitely check for any remote job would be the generic ones, Indeed, as well as LinkedIn. I mean, these are not the best of the websites to check for any remote job anyway. However, you can always filter through to see if you're looking for a fully remote job, then you can be able to filter through and see whether there are any one of those jobs that are accepting anyone across the globe. Then this is not going to be easy. Obviously, you will just have to go to LinkedIn or Indeed and be able to check out which of the jobs are accepting people from across the globe. Perhaps you can also once again check the company itself on the websites, the public websites. This is one of the ways to see jobs that have been advertised and see whether you can be able to qualify. Another way is to definitely maybe think about companies that you love products for. For example, maybe you use a certain app that you really like and you're like, oh, I would love to work for this particular app. Then you can also go to their public website and see whether they are hiring anyone from across the globe, and then be able to shoot your shot that way, because again, it is all about finding these opportunities and seeing what works for you depending on your skill set, depending on where you're located, depending on your knowledge, depending on how you even sell yourself as well. It's very crucial to go ahead and check out all these opportunities and be able to see which one will work for you best. And do not shoot your foot before you can shoot your shot, because again, it's not an easy thing to do to apply for these opportunities. However, how you package yourself at the end of the day is what really matters. And I do hope that you have liked this video. Once again, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share it with someone else who could benefit from it. I will leave all the links for the job boards that I have spoken about on this video, and you can be able to check them out and see which one works for you and be able to go ahead and shoot your shot for the future, or save these job boards if you would be possibly thinking of changing career opportunities in the future as well. So I hope this video has been of help to you, and until next time, keep subscribed and share the video and leave your comment down below. Bye.